Revenue recognition gets tricky, but right of return? That's where most students lose marks. Let's fix that in under 3 minutes. Let's jump into problem. A right of return revenue recognition scenario. Most students get this wrong. Right of return revenue recognition. Let's solve this step by step in under 2 minutes. $1,000 books sold at $100 each. Total sales, $100,000. Cost per book is $60. Total cost, $60,000. 5% of books are expected to be returned. That means $5,000 sales return and $3,000 cost return. Debit cash, $100,000. Credit refund liability, $5,000, and sales revenue, $95,000. Record cost, $57,000, and return asset, $3,000. Gross profit equals $38,000. We recognize revenue now, adjusted for expected returns. Master this, and you're ahead of most accounting students.
Watch more videos for deeper conceptual accounting.